China's vast geography has shaped its civilization, economy, and position in the world. China spans 9.6 million square kilometers, comparable in size to the US or Canada. China shares land borders with 14 countries, some of which involve ongoing military tensions. At sea, China faces ongoing maritime and political disputes in the South China Sea. China's landmass naturally divides into three great steps of elevation from west to east. The first and highest step is the Tibetan Plateau, 4,000 meters and home to the Himalayas. The second step contains a series of plateaus and basins ranging from 1 and 2,000 meters. The third step features the fertile plains and low rolling hills of eastern China. These eastern lands are highly fertile and became home to the majority of China's population. Beyond these steps, three rivers have profoundly shaped China's civilization and economic landscape. The Yellow River is China's second longest, carrying fertile silt that nourished early agriculture. The Yangtze is Asia's longest river, supporting fertile land and dense populations along its bank. The Pearl River Delta is flat and fertile, making it ideal for both agriculture and urban development. These geographic traits shed light on how Chinese cities and the economy develop over time. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more insights on China business environment.